Today I am going to discuss about the quadratic equations, how to solve the quadratic equations, how many methods are there for solving the quadratic equations. General form of quadratic equation, General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a must not equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation form. So we know already the highest power is 2. That is nothing but the quadratic equation. Okay. And one more important thing, here two methods are there solving the quadratic equation and finding the roots of that equations. How many roots are there? Only two roots are there. How to identify that roots means the highest power how much is there, that is nothing but the represent the that much roots are there for that equation. Okay, in the quadratic equation already the we know one thing, in the quadratic equation the highest power is always 2. That is nothing but the quadratic equation. So here only two roots are there. Okay, how to find out the roots for that quadratic equation? So here two methods are there. One is formula method and factorization method. Formula method is nothing but it is very easy. You must remember the formula. That formula is helpful to solve the roots of that equation. So what is the formula means? Only one formula is there, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. You must remember this formula. This is enough for calculating the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, and this is the formula method. Next, another one is factorization method. So here I am taking the one question, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So I am finding the roots for this quadratic equation by using two methods. Both methods means formula method and as well as factorization method. Apply any method, you get the same result. Okay. So first method. So apply the formula method here. So first of all, identify the what are the a value, b value, c value. So compare this equation with general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here what is the coefficient of x square? A is equal to 1 and b is equal to, what is the coefficient of x? 5, and what is the constant c is equal to 6. So these are the values of a, b, c. And write down here the formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So and then substitute all the values a, b, c values in this formula. Minus of b value is 5 plus or minus 5 square, b square is 5 square minus 4 into what is a value? 1. What is c value? 6, and divided by 2 into in place of a 1. So now simplify this. Minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 24 is nothing but 1. Root 1 is always 1 by 2 is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 1 by 2. So now split plus or minus is there now. Write down separately plus and minus also. So x value is equal to minus 5 plus 1 by 2 or minus 5 minus 1 by 2 means minus 5 plus 1 by 2 means this is minus 4 by 2 or this is minus 6 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So x value is minus 2 or minus 3. So after applying the formula method, we get x values are minus 2 or minus 3. Now coming to factorization method. For the same problem only. Apply the factorization method for the same problem only. you get the same results. So how to apply the factorization method? Here, first write down the given equation, quadratic equation as it is. Okay. After writing that, product of A into C. What is the product of A into C? A value is 1 and C value is 6. 6. So take the 6. The product of, take the A and C, product of AC value. Write down that value here. After that, write down the factors for that number. How many factors are there? 2 3s are, or 3 2s are, and 6 1s are also. 6 1s are 6, 6 1 are the factors for 6, and 2 and 3 are also factors for 6. But how to take this set means, just remember one thing, what is the B value here? Plus 5 is there. So after adding or subtracting these factors, you get plus 5. After multiplying these 2, you get this 6. Okay. After adding or subtract, add or subtract any set of factors, you get B value. After adding or subtracting any set of the fractions, this set or this set, you must get the value B. And then next, multiply the same factors, you get 6 or not. Okay, that is the way to do. So coming to 6 1. So when we get 5, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, you get plus 5. Understood? But after multiplying these two, we get minus 6, but here plus 6 is there. You don't take these two fractions. Okay? These two fractions. So coming to next one, if when we get plus 5, adding or subtracting these two, adding 2 plus 3 is nothing but 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. Okay, fine. So coming to next one, check this. So multiplying these two, you get this or not? 2 into 3, 6. Yeah, fine. So now take this 2 only. So how to write next step means x square plus, in place of 5x, write down 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 into x plus 6 equal to 0. In place of 5, write down 2 plus 3. Okay. And x square plus split this x for 2 and 3 also. 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. So next take x. In these two terms, x is the common term. So take the x common. So x, and after taking x is a common, so here only one x is there, and here already x is there, so write down only 2. In these two terms, what is the common term? 3. So write down 3 outside, and here x, the remaining 3 2s are 2 only. So in these two terms, x plus 2 is the common. So take this is the common. So remaining is here only x is there, here 3 is there. So now this is in the form of a into b is equal to 0. When ab is 0, if either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, then only product of ab is 0. Apply this. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Means x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 3. So x value is either minus 2 or minus 3. So check the above also. Here also x value is minus 2 or minus 3. Here also minus 2 or minus 3. So it represents, you can apply any method, you get the same results only.